Hey guys, it's me Courtney and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be another holiday look. This time I decided to go something a little bit less traditional. We do still have a little bit of gold, a little sparkle, but I wanted to do maybe some brown, some bronzy in there. So if you are interested in how to get this look, then please stay tuned. Today we're starting out with our brows using the Kat Von D 24-Hour Brow Pomade in Walnut. I actually have a brow tutorial that I'll link if you guys are interested. I'm going to go ahead and prime with the Murad Invisiblur primer. And while my primer is setting, I'm going to go in with the ABH Soft Glam palette. And I'm starting off with the color Burnt Orange and shearing that out in my crease. Next, I'm using Sienna and blending that slightly below the first color we put down. Be sure to build up your color slowly so that you don't have any patches. The next color we're using is Mulberry and lightly blending it out on the outer corner to deepen our crease. We're going in with Noir and blending that into our transition colors following our crease. Now with a fluffy brush, I'm going back into Mulberry and blending out that black. Next, I'm going to take my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer and cut the crease. I am going to take the cut crease all the way out, so just take your time with it. Now I'm going back into Burnt Orange and patting that on top of the concealer we just put down. Next, I'm taking my Dose of Colors cream liner in Extra Baggage, which is a deep brown color, and creating a wing. I feel like the best way to use cream liner is to stamp it instead of dragging, especially if you have more wrinkles on your lid like I do. Once we have the wing as good as it's gonna get, we're gonna go in with a copper pigment. In this case, we're using the Pat McGrath Copper 005 pigment. And I'm going to stamp that on top of that brown liner we put down. Then with my NYX Glitter Glue, I'm gonna trace below that crease line we created. I'm going to take my Makeup Shayla and Colourpop Pose highlighter and pack that on top of the glitter glue. Once I get to the middle, I'm going to start blending that down a little bit. I'm not going to pack on too much. It's going to be more of a spotlight shimmer than anything. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Lancome Teint Idole foundation. Again, for concealer, I'm using Nars Radiant Creamy. I'm actually angling the concealer to make sure it's nowhere close to the eyeliner we put down. And we blend, being extra careful around the wing. Today we're setting with Patrick's Powder from MAC and setting everywhere we put our concealer. Per usual, we're going to use Fenty Matchsticks and Truffle to contour. Next, we're bronzing with the Becca Sunlit Bronzer in Ipanema Sun. This is my favorite bronzer of all time for my skin tone. It has a slight shimmer to it, which makes your skin look extra delicious. I'm going to use the Derma Blend Loose powder to set everything. Going back in with my glitter glue, I'm placing it just on top of the line we created, only in the middle. Now I'm taking a loose gold glitter, anyone will work, and I'm tapping that carefully on top of the glue. I'm going to take a brown liner to tight line my waterline. Then I'm going to take the color Sienna from the Soft Glam palette and buff that on the lower lash line. For my inner corner, I'm taking the color Bronze. I'm starting off on the inner lower lash line and then I'm going to build up to the tear duct. For blush, I went in with the Flower Beauty Blush Balm in Cinnamon, which ended up being a little bit more sheer than expected, but moving on. At this point, I went ahead and added lashes and changed my blush color to the Colourpop Drop of a Hat Super Shot Cheek. Then I'm going in with my Bronze Glow highlighter from Bobbi Brown. Of course, we're setting with my Urban Decay All Nighter. Here I'm lining my lips with BFF3 from Colourpop, then using the Ultra Satin Lip in Idole, and that's it. Alright guys, that about does it for me. Hopefully this video was helpful and fun. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video if the mood suits you, and I will see you guys in the next video.